Welcome back to Beautyistic. Are you a fan of beautiful, voluminous lashes, but not the price tag of a salon appointment? Or maybe you love DIY beauty treatments that actually work? Well, today we're talking about a product that could revolutionize your lash game. Kiss Falscara DIY Eyelash Extension Remover with Natural Rosewater. This eyelash remover promises to gently dissolve lash extension wisps, bond and seal adhesive, and nourish the delicate skin around your eyes, all with the soothing touch of rosewater. Let's start with the basics. The Kiss Falscara Remover is designed specifically to work with Falscara eyelash extensions, which are placed underneath your natural lashes for a more natural, fluttery look. It's formulated to break down the adhesive gently, so you can remove your extensions without causing irritation or damage. And if you're wondering about the ingredients, this remover is infused with natural rose water, which not only cleanses but also nourishes the delicate skin around your eyes, keeping things soothing and comfortable. When it comes to using this remover, it's as simple as it gets. You saturate a cotton pad with the product, place it over your eyes for about 10 seconds, and then gently wipe away the excess. No harsh rubbing or tugging, just a smooth and easy removal. It's designed for those of us who want a quick, no-fuss removal experience, especially after a long day when you just want to unwind. As for my personal experience, I've used this product a few times now, and it's been a breeze to incorporate into my beauty routine. After a long day of wearing lash extensions, I'll apply the cotton pad and let it sit for a bit. The product doesn't sting, and I didn't feel any discomfort when removing my lashes. The remover works exactly as it should, dissolving the bond without any tugging or pulling, which can sometimes be an issue with other removers. I really appreciate how gentle it feels, especially on the sensitive skin around my eyes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. The formula is extremely gentle. There's no burning or irritation, even on days when my eyes are a little more sensitive. The rose water infusion is a nice touch because it helps moisturize the skin as you cleanse. And as for the remover's effectiveness, it's spot on. The product quickly breaks down the adhesive without any force or harsh chemicals, which is crucial if you're trying to preserve the health of your natural lashes. On the flip side, the biggest con I've found is that you'll need to use it with the Falscara lash extensions and adhesives for it to work properly. So if you're not using Falscara products, this remover might not be your best option. Additionally, while it's gentle, it does require a little time, about 10 seconds on each eye. So if you're looking for something faster, this may feel a bit slow. When it comes to value for money, this product is definitely on the affordable side, especially considering how much you save on professional lash removal costs. It does the job well and doesn't leave your skin feeling dry or irritated. So I'd say it's worth the price, especially if you're already invested in the Falscara system. Compared to other lash removers on the market, Kiss Falscara stands out in terms of its gentle formula and the added benefit of rosewater. While there are removers with similar ingredients, the inclusion of rosewater gives this product an edge in terms of skincare. It also has a very balanced, non-drying formula, unlike some harsher removers that can leave the skin around your eyes feeling stripped and irritated. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The bottle is easy to handle, and the product dispenses neatly, preventing any spills or waste. I didn't notice any issues with the packaging, nothing that would affect my overall experience with the product. There haven't been any major updates to this product, but Kiss has a strong reputation for delivering reliable, salon-quality products for at-home use. If you're looking for a gentle way to remove your lashes, this product will do the trick without irritating your skin. If you're in the market for a lash extension remover, but the Kiss Falscara isn't quite right for you, there are other options out there. However, I think the gentle formula and ease of use here make it stand out from the pack, especially when compared to more abrasive removers that could damage your lashes or leave your skin red and irritated. So after all that, what's my final verdict? If you're a fan of Falscara's lash extensions and want to remove them without any hassle or harm, this product is a solid choice. It does exactly what it claims, gently removes lash extensions while nourishing the delicate skin around your eyes. While it's specifically designed for Falscara products, it's a great addition to any DIY lash routine. And considering the price point, I'd say it offers great value for the quality. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried the Kiss Falscara Eyelash Remover, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.